Oh, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. That's our website, newqbo.com. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to record a tip or gratuity in QuickBooks Online sales receipts. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to go to QBO file now. So this is a demo file. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to gear settings, and then you should enable tips in QBO. So I'm going to click gear icon in here and then select account and settings under your company. Okay, and then select sales, and then you will see tips underneath here. So here is tips right here. So click this off. We want to make that on. Then you just select this check box and see what happens. Okay, so it's asking you who is receiving these tips. Is it just me or my team? So just me is your income. Just me is your income. And my team is your liability. So like undistributed tips, you'll distribute, you will collect and distribute to your employees or contractors later on. So right now the setup is either just me or my team. You can have both. So, so if you need both, then this won't work. You have to select just either one, my team or just me. So in this example, I'm just going to select my team. Okay, so the moment you select that my team, it will automatically create a account. In your chart of accounts, it will say undistributed tips as your liability account, and it also create sales receipt, new sales receipt template. Once you update this, it will just say it's a yearly type. In QuickBooks they have different types of form styles. So this is just on one type. It's yearly type. I'm just going to click this one, update, and I'm just going to save this. Okay, so now you have tips on, and later on, let's say you want to change the account, or you want to make this just me later on, then you need to go to advanced, and then you have a chart of accounts in here, and then you need to select the accounts in here, whatever accounts you want. All right, so I'm going to save this, and now we are ready to create sales receipt. And before I do that, I'm going to show you the template, sales receipt template here. It automatically created a new template in here, sales receipt template. So let's see. You will see in here, it's under design. It's the new template. It's area new, so that's the one it created. So for tips, you can select other templates like area or modern, fresh. So it's basically for just one type, area type. Okay, so now I'm going to go to sales receipt and see how it works. All right, sales receipt is right here under customers. Okay, so I'm just going to select one random customer or client in here. Okay, and so tip is right here. See, tip field is right here. Okay, so I'm just going to select one service type in here, and I'll say this is your team, so work 4 hours, and let's say $100 per hour. So it's $400, and let's say this client is kind of generous and give you $50 tip. So it's basically the sales receipt is $450. So they wrote you, let's say they wrote you a check for $450. 450, and let's say you want to deposit this check to your checking account. Okay, so it's 450. Total is 450. 450. So I'm just going to save this, and I'll show you how this transaction recorded in QuickBooks. So you can, under more, you will see transaction journal. Okay. So it will show you how it's recorded. So the deposit is 450 went to your bank account, and services, that's your income account, and then undistributed tips, that's your liability account, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you chart of accounts, how it recorded there. Okay, this is the tips account. This is liability, undistributed tips. As you can see here, undistributed tips, other current liabilities, and detail tab also the same. And if you don't like this title name, you want to change it to something you want, all you have to do is under action next to view register, you will see edit. Just click that one and change the name in here. So you don't want to change the account type because this is your liability account. So you can change the name in here. All right. So so this is how you do it for the for your team. And let's say if you want to just do it for yourself, just me, then I have to go to another file in here. Okay, so this is the one for just me. So create a template. Same way, you just selected just me when you go through the selection in here. So you selected just me, that's for your liability account. I mean your income account. And this one, my team, is your liability account. So let's look at just me selection in here. Okay, so this is for just me. And if you select the under more, if you want to find out the transaction journal, you will see something like this right here. It's tips income, it's $50, the same way. Total is this. This is your income. And in your chart of accounts, it's like this. The type is other income and other investment income. Okay, so let's look at the profit and loss, how you will see it in your income statement. Okay, and I'm just going to do this for this entry only for today, let's say. As you can see here, $400 is your service income, and the tip income is underneath in here as other income. So this is after net operating income. This is after your regular income and expenses, and it's underneath in here. For some reason you don't like to see this underneath and you want just to see as your total income, part of the total income. You want to move this $50 over here someplace or combine with service income, then you will need to edit your tips income account. So let's see how it will work. So you need to select edit. Okay, so right now it's saying account type is other income, and you want to change this to your regular income. So your income in here. Okay, and let's say this one is your service type. So select that one. So this is fine. Tip income is fine. So this one is basically you want to create a separate one as your regular income. So you will change it and say yes. Now service income. Now if you look at your P&L, I'm just going to refresh this. So it's in here, tip income, and it basically was under other income, so basically moved from here to part of the total income in here. And if you want to merge, you don't want to see separate total tips income, and you just want to merge to service income, then you just change it again. And you just want to say service income. Let's say from tips. So you want to try to merge tips income to your service income. All right, let's see what happens. See, the name is already being used. Would you like to merge it? Yes, I want to merge this. I don't want to show tips income as a separate line item. Click that one, and this one is gone. Now let's look at the refresh the P&L. See what happens. Yeah, now it's just one line item. All right. So this is how it works. And you can visit our website. It's newqbo.com. It's newqbo.com. We have all kinds of video tutorials and instructions on QuickBooks Online. Well, thank you for watching this video. Great. Thank you.